we last ended on the creating queries. So we are going to see how we can manipulate data using queries. So I think that is one-to-one relationship. So we are going to manipulate our data using relationships. So let's first view our query. So in the execution, it will bring for you all the data. So we are going to execute only female students. So you just go back to design view. So where there is criteria here, that's the criteria. So where there is gender, it's where we will put our criteria. So criteria is like what gender do you want to select. You can say male. So you can just click like that. So after you run, it will execute for you only male students. So now going back, you can say one female students. You can just say female. So you run, it will execute for you female students. So now if there is an instance when you want to execute two different criterias, so let's first see. So now for example, we want to execute Mengo and Natete. So now where there is address, there is criteria, there is all, meaning there are two different criterias you want to execute. So here you'll put Mengo, you'll put Natete, meaning that you want to execute two different criterias. So if you run now, it will bring for you Mengo and Natete. So that's the way you use queries in different alternatives. For example, math, we want to execute people who are above 70, 50. So we also use queries to do that. So now we'll be seeing how we can do all things in queries. So we'll be continuing. My page is not loading, so it has loaded. So let's see students that are above 50 in mathematics. So we first remove these criterias. So we will come to math, where there is criteria here. You can put greater than 50. So that's the criteria to output students with greater than 50. So if you see math, they will be greater than 50. So now that's how criteria work. So if you say greater than 50 in all subjects, so now you will put our criteria throughout the subjects. So you run, you will see that these students are in all subjects are greater than 50. So you are seeing how criteria work. So in the next video, we'll see how we can ask a query a question, also to ask the user. So we'll be meeting in the next video to see how we can do that. Thank you.